Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the failed to fix Roblox process, also known as the Roblox KRNL error on your computer. So without any delay, let's jump right in. Solution 1. First of all, delete the KRNL folder. To do this, type run in the search bar here and open up the run program. Here, type %appdata% and press enter. Now, the File Explorer will open up. From here, delete the KRNL folder and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, turn off real-time protection in Windows Security. To do this, search for Windows Security and open it up. Then, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now from the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Then toggle off real-time protection. Just click on yes and it'll be disabled. After this, check if the issue is gone. Solution 3. If you're still facing the issue, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it. Select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Type Roblox in the search bar here and hit Enter. Now click on Roblox, then on Get, and Roblox should start installing. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So that's it, guys. If the trick worked for you, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!